Have you ever felt completely lost with Git? You're not alone. Every developer at some point stares at Git merge or Git rebase and thinks, what's even happening? Today, I'm going to make Git finally make sense. And by the end of this video, you'll feel like a Git wizard. We'll cover the core concepts, common commands, and some pro tips that will save you hours of frustration. So what is Git really? Git is a version control system that tracks changes to your code. It's important to understand the difference between Git and GitHub. Git is a tool, while GitHub is a cloud service where you can host your code. Think of Git as a magical undo button for your code, where every change is saved in a timeline, allowing you to experiment without fear. Now let's talk about the key concept you must know. A repository is where all your code lives. A commit is saving a snapshot of your work. A branch is a parallel version of your code for experimenting. And merging is bringing branches together. One tip: always commit small changes and write meaningful messages. Imagine writing a book. Each commit is a saved draft, and each branch is a different chapter version. Next, let's go through the essential commands. Git init starts a new repository. Git add and git commit stage and save changes. Git status shows what's happening in your repo, while git log lets you view your timeline. Git branch and git checkout help you manage branches, and git merge combines changes safely. A pro tip here is to always visualize these commands with simple examples so you understand what's really happening. Many beginners make common mistakes. Forgetting to pull before pushing can lead to conflicts. Committing too much at once makes it hard to track changes. Always check your branch before merging and use git diff before committing. It's like proofreading your code. These small habits save a lot of headaches. Git isn't scary, it's powerful. Once you understand the core concepts and commands, it's like riding a bike. Hard at first, but once you get it, it's unstoppable. If this video helped you finally make sense of Git, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding tips, and share it with a friend who's struggling too. Drop a comment below with the Git command you struggle with the most, and let's conquer Git together.